My channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I'm going to share you about the how you can send or configure email and push notifications to the users after they enroll their devices into Microsoft Intune. This is important, right? So this notification actually will improve the security by notifying users through email or push if someone enroll a devices with their credential. So being as a IT Intune admin, we can use this feature, which is I'm gonna show you, to enrollment notification, to notify the users a welcome nice email with onboarding informations, right? Uh, that your devices is enrolled. So this will also improve the security, as I mentioned. If somehow their credentials is compromised and someone's try to enroll their devices, and you have opened the enrollment for everyone. So this is very great tool. So how you can do that? You can go to the devices, right? I'm gonna show you for iOS devices. Similar you can do for Android as well. So since we're talking about iOS, let's click on iOS, and here if you click on enrollment, and you see here enrollment notifications, right? So this one, so send a push notification to the devices after they enroll. So this is how you can select it. If you go here now, if I select Android and go to enrollment, and you see the enrollment notification, similar you can see it here. So there is a two tab here: Android enterprise notification, Android device administration. So let's create for Android enterprise, right? Since if you are managing, similar you can do for iOS. So you see here, you can read it here, all this information. If you want to learn more about this, how the enrollment notification works, how you can set up, what are the information you can add, and this notifications the support only for bring your own devices case, not for the company owned devices, just to be clear. So if you're wondering, you want to send out for the company owned, no, it's not applicable for the company owned. Whether it's only applicable for BYD scenario, whether it's iOS or Mac or Android. Okay, and this is also applicable for Windows devices as well. So let's create a notification. I will say Android BYD enrollment notification. You can give any name, whatever you want to like. I'm just giving name. Okay, let's say I just want to set the push notification, not the email notification, but you can enable both, right? So you see platform is Android enterprise, click next, and you see there is a two. You want to notify the users either push or email. So let's suppose push. If you select, you can put something urgent, or or welcome, something welcome or congratulations, right? Congratulations, your, I'm just giving example, your devices has been successfully enrolled, right? Since we are doing for Android, your Android BYD devices has been successfully enrolled. You can put the message, whatever something you want to give, you can add it. Similar you can do for iOS, for email, if you want to do, right? Let's copy the content here and we'll paste it here. Okay, and email subject also like this. You want to display the company logo, you want to show the devices detail. If you turn on, it will show like this: OS family, OS version, model, serial number, everything. You want to show the company name, select it. You want to support that the some support contact information, company logo, right? Company portal logo. So user will, and it will be added with the device ID, right? So if you try to access this one, this URL, the user will try to, the devices will automatically get added here. Click next, default scope, next, and here you can assign to uh, groups, right? Since we are applying for iOS or Android, you can select based on your choice. Since this is only for Android, so I don't have the group for the Android, but you can create the Android groups and apply to the groups. For example, I'm just applying for all iOS devices grid, since this is for Android. So and let's refresh the page. I will show you one weird thing happening here. So since I have applied to a group, if you go and edit these options, you will see all these settings, right? So I have enabled for Android for work, I have enabled for this one, and it's applied to the groups. Any specific group I just apply to. If you edit this one, and let's remove this one, and here it's add all user. Okay, let's save this one. Okay, now I have no included groups, right? Now again go to assignment. I want to apply to all Android users, right? So it's recommended to apply to a groups, specific groups, whether because you are applying for Android BYD, it's not for the company own, or similar for Mac operating system BYD, or iOS BYD. So you select the specific group for BYD, not all users. Let's see what will happen if you apply to all users. So suppose I just selected all users here from here, right? So all users means it doesn't matter, it's include everything, right? The BYD, COD and everything, company one as well. So let's select all users and we'll see what you will see here. So now you can see we have applied to all users, and refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, okay, once you refresh the page, you say let's refresh one more time, we'll see. Or let's go to here again, and I'll show you the interesting things is happening. And go to the Android BOD push notifications, and you see all this detail. And here if you see, I haven't done anything, and it's a group deleted from the Entra, Microsoft Entra ID. I don't know why this Microsoft has to look why this is happening, because I just applied to all users and it's a group deleted from Microsoft Entra. Let's edit, and you see here, and if I select remove, again it's say all users. Let's select review and save, and now it's say all users. Okay, let's again go back to devices, Android, enrollment, and again let's see, it will show the deleted group deleted from the Enter ID. So this is very weird. I don't know, so it's better to not to apply to all users until Microsoft has look, or maybe something bug. They should not give all users. If we can't apply to all users, then there is no point to add the all users. As per my opinion, Microsoft has to look and fix this issue, because if you apply to all users, it's a group deleted from Microsoft Entra ID. So just select to all users and select the specific groups for like Android or iOS, and based on that you can apply. So you have seen, right, how Microsoft has, I think maybe there is bug or something. If it's if this applicable is, if this is not applicable for all users, let's remove these options here, right? Otherwise there is no point to apply to all users, and it will show all users. And if you refresh the page, and it will get banished, right? So there is no sense to make a confusion of the admin, right? So why it's not showing for apply to, it's a group deleted from Microsoft Entra. What the nonsense actually. So this is Microsoft has to look. I would encourage you to Microsoft to retest or see or remove these options from here if it's showing like this error. I hope you learn something new, how to as soon as you enroll, your user will enroll their devices, they will get the notification into their mailbox automatically. Whatever the content or subject you want to put there, you can put there. And this is how you improve the end user experience, and provide more security to the users, so that they will make sure they will make sure that their devices are in control, or they at least they know how many devices they are using, and when somebody has misused their credentials. Till then, thank you. Have a good day, and don't forget and like and share with your colleagues. Bye bye.